Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a 1950s ACME beer cardboard ad that we've had framed off. If you're like the whole Western look, this is definitely something that you would like. So again, if you're into vintage advertising, ACME beer in general, or just like some kind of Western looking art, this is probably for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.